Python is not the best programming language in the world. Hold on, let me explain. There's no one best programming language in the world. It depends on the context and your specific needs. Python is highly popular and versatile because of its simplicity and readability, making it a great choice for many applications such as web development, data analysis, machine learning, and automation. However, the best programming language varies based on factors like your project requirements, goals, and personal preferences. If you are interested in web development, JavaScript alongside HTML and CSS is essential for front-end development, while Python, Ruby, PHP, or Node.js may be used on the back end. If you are into mobile development, you will choose languages like Swift for iOS and Java or Kotlin for Android. Systems programming often involves languages like C or C++ for their low-level control. Data science and machine learning often use Python due to its enriched libraries and frameworks. In essence, the best programming language depends on what you aim to accomplish. Python is an excellent starting point for many, but it's essential to know the requirements of your project and learn the goals when choosing a programming language. This is your boy AC, and I'm out.